Hey guys, we're going to have a look at changing time signatures. Now, this is a real bit of a trick. It's kind of hard to pull off really well, and but it's awesome when you do. So let's dive right in. We've got our 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 7, 8, all of these wonderful combinations, and really what we want to do is try and subtly slip between them. One of the other ones I'll bring in as an honourable mention is the pseudo 3/4, where we have the 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2. So we're going to put together something here, and look, that's the riff we're going to use. Pretty simple, kind of using these open chords. And we're also going to shorten them back to. Alright, so now if I was to do this in 4/4, I'd be going for a one, two, three, four, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if we slip that into a 3/4, what we can do is we can actually slip between them. So alright, very interesting, isn't it? Still doesn't feel jarring. You can slide between them. Now, of course, the other one that slides in there is that pseudo 3/4. So we could have a alright, so we're not actually changing too much there, but it's definitely a rhythm change. Now, if we start to combine those, we can get somewhere. What I really want to do though is to flip it on its head. So I'm going to run through just, we'll go for some 4/4, and then we'll slip it into 3/4. But then I'm going to go up for my chorus change, and I'm going to just tie in a little 7/8 bit. So this bit, we're going to have a 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 1 2 3. All right. Then 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2. And then going to drop into the Mission Impossible 5/4. Alright, so we are really changing it up here across the board. It can be a little bit chaotic, so let's go through it nice and slow. So we'll start off with our 4/4. Actually, we'll start off with a pseudo 3/4. Let's skip the 4/4. We've done heaps of that. So one, 2, 3, 4. All right, 3/4. Do our 7/8 with a all right, 5/4. Alright, then we'll drop back into just a really cool, same sort of rhythm that. You're into your whole song then. So, see if we can get through this. So, pseudo 3/4 to start. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, So, hectic timing changes through that, but as you can see, it can actually be done, and it can be done subtly. Now look, there is a lot of room for error there. We'll leave it there and see you next time.